I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make MP4 format video. First, you'll need to gather your source material, which could be anything from raw footage to images and audio files. Then, select appropriate video editing software, as this will be your primary tool for assembly and export. We'll cover popular options that offer robust MP4 export capabilities. Finally, we'll delve into the specific settings to ensure your video is optimized for quality and file size, making it ready for sharing across many platforms. Selecting the right software is crucial for a smooth workflow. For beginners, free options like Shotcut or DaVinci Resolve's free version provide powerful editing tools. If you need more advanced features, professional suites like Adobe Premiere Pro offer extensive control over every aspect of your video. These programs allow you to import various media types, arrange your clips, add effects, and ultimately prepare your project for export into the MP4 format. When exporting, pay close attention to your settings. For MP4, the H.264 video codec and AAC audio codec are standard choices, offering a great balance of quality and file size. You'll want to set your resolution, commonly 1920 by 1080 pixels for full HD. The bitrate is key. A higher bitrate, for example, 10 megabits per second, yields better quality but a larger file. Experiment to find the optimal balance for your specific needs. After exporting, the final step is crucial: quality control. Play your MP4 video from start to finish to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Check for any dropped frames, audio sync issues, or unexpected compression artifacts. Once you're satisfied, your MP4 is ready to be shared. Upload it to video hosting sites like YouTube or Vimeo, or directly to social media platforms, knowing it will play seamlessly for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.